Hi guys. Okay, so we have done the header, we have done the footer. Now we have to do the body of the website. So the body is going to take this shape. The body is going to take the hero image, the call to action section that says, hello, my name is, I am this is what I am, then a button, then the different options that the person is serving, the different service options, then years of experience and what the person has done, then the featured project. So these will be done in three sections. So we're going to first of all do the header first, then we're now going to do the service offerings, then we're now going to do the featured projects. So let's start with the hero image here. So the first thing you can see is we have an image on a transparent background, then we have a title, a subtext, then a button. So the first thing we have to do, we have to get our image. So one of the websites I use to get free high resolution images is called pixels.com. So that's pexels.com. So let's say I'm looking for, I don't want to use a lady here, I want to use a guy. So let's say I want a black guy. So black guy. Let's see what pops up. So I have these options. I have this guy, I have this guy, I have this guy, I have this guy. I want someone who is on his own. So let's use this guy. I want this guy. So let's use him. Then let's use him. But the issue now is that they are not on a transparent background. They're actually on their own background. So we have to remove it. So one of the tools I use for removing backgrounds and images is called remove.bg. So just type remove.bg. remove.b. So it asks you to upload the image that you want to remove the background. So click on upload image. So you can choose the image you want to remove. So this should take about a couple of seconds. So you can now download it. So if you want to download in HD, you have to register the account. But if you want to download normally without registering, just click on download and it will download on your system. So now we have our image. Let's close all this. Okay. So now we have our image. So what we'll do now is we'll go back to our home page because everything is being done on the home page. So you go back to our home page. You click on edit. So since we'll be working with Elementor, we're going to do all our edits using Elementor. Okay? Then this should take about a couple of minutes. So now it's open. So now you know that we have these sections. We have so you know that we have our header, we have our footer, which will be visible everywhere. See the difference in color. If you still want to change some things in your header, you can just either edit the header or edit the footer, but we want it like this, we want to leave it like this. So what next is we want to start building this top section here. So as you can see here, there is no title, so we have to remove the title. So to remove the title, you come to settings, click on settings, then hide title. The next thing we're going to do is the image, then the title, the subtext, and a button. So like we started, click on the add section, click on two sections because here you have two sections. You have an image section, then you have the whole body here. So click on the two section option. So the first thing you have to add is an image. So you come to menu option, type image to select the image widget. Then choose an image. So you click here. So we have to upload the image we've already downloaded on our system. So to upload, you come to upload files, select files, then choose. Remember, we're choosing the image we've removed the background. So let's see. I advise that your images should be less than 300 MB, 300 KB, sorry. So we've chosen the image, so you insert the image. Now we have our image here. So we have to change the background. The background of this image is black. So we have to change the entire background to black. So change the background, click on this section option here, choose style, come to background type, classic, choose the color, black. Now everything is in black. You see? Good. So we do not want to be this big, we want to reduce the size. So to reduce the size, you come back to the layout, then height, minimum height. We want it to be, 400 is good, but we want this image should be less than that. So let's say, okay, let's leave it at 60. So we want it to be aligned here. Good. So what next? So the next thing we're going to create is the call to action. Hello, my name is, I am this, a button. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is call to action. So choose a call to action button. So just drag it here where you want to place it and place it there. So as you can see, we have title, subtext, then a button. Okay, so it is also in a black background or a transparent background. So we have to change this. So first of all, let's work on the title. Title is visual designer. Let's say he is a creative strategist. Something different. Creative strategist. Then the text could be generic. Let's say, so the subtext could be, hi, I am Dele. So hi, instead of hello, I'm Agatha. Say hi, I am Dele. Okay, then the content will now be, hello, welcome to my portfolio website. I am open to any and every form of work. Just anything, whatever text you want to be very fast. Okay. So then the button, what should it be the button? The button is about me. Okay, so the button text will be about me. Okay, so now we have subtitle, title, content, and a button. Subtitle, title, content, and a button. Now we have to do some styling. So the first thing we need to know is it's on a transparent background, not on a white background. So we have to change the background, come to background color. So you see this option here, this is your transparency option. So just drag it to the end. Okay, now it's on transparent background. Okay, good. Then what next? You see Dele is in red. Hi, I am Agatha is in red. Let's put it in green since the logo is in green. Hi, I am Dele in green. So that will be color and typography. The first thing is your subtitle, called Hi, I'm Dele is a subtitle. So green. Hi, I'm Dele, green. So we want it back to our text, Nunito. Then we want it to be bold. Want to be bold. 12. Let's choose. Okay. Then the next one is creative designer in white. That is your header. Color white. This one is in, let's say, 36. Okay, let's increase it. Bonito. Good. Bold. Great. Let's leave it at 700 or 800. Okay. Then the next one is gray. So that's the content. Content is in gray. So you choose the content color in gray. So remember that there's little or no spacing between the subtitle and the content. So we have to change that. So to change that, you come to this spacing and you tap it. So it will now change it to 000. Same thing with the content. Come to the content option. Click on it. 000. I want you to increase. Let's say I want to increase it by 5 or by 10. Okay, this is good. Then what else? Okay, then the next thing we need to do is the button. So the button, so the margin, okay. So the button has to be in green also, since we're sticking with the green background. So the button background color will be green. Then the text will be white. Okay. Then we want to push it up. When we hover, there's nothing here. So let's remove the hover option. So let's leave the hover option as is. So let's come to this screen. Let's choose this screen. Hover option. Okay, so when you hover, it's the same thing. It goes lighter. When you move it, it goes darker. When you hover, it goes lighter. The text, let's go back to our base text of Bonito. Okay. Now I want to push this button up. So come to top and you reduce it to 90 to minus 30. So now we have the image and the call to action. And the image and the call to action. What can you notice here? This, we want to, let's crop this image so that it will take the entire space of the section. So to crop the image, you just choose the image, come to edit image. So we want to look as well as our design. So edit image, so you choose crop. Okay, then press enter. And save. And then you save. So now you update that image. So let's see if changes have been made. Update it. And let's refresh. So wait, voila. So let's still reduce the size. Let's see how it looks on the screen. Okay, so this is good. So now we have the image, we have the hi, I'm Dele, I'm creative strategist. Hello, welcome to my portfolio. This is this, and this, and this, my about page. So my about button. Same thing here. Hi, I'm Agatha, visual designer, this, and about. So it's similar, just change in color and the person we're using. So the next thing we're going to do is create this section. Okay, so stick around while we